imbalance, dizziness, blurry vision, difficulty reading, and sensitivity in busy environments can all be signs of vestibular loss. Have you felt dizzy or off balance lately? Maybe you've seen your doctor and reported these changes, or maybe you're just waiting for it to recover on its own. Either way, know that there is something you can do to help the recovery process after vestibular dysfunction. Your brain is amazing. Due to neuroplasticity, the brain can recalibrate and recover on its own over time, but it does this more quickly with the right stimulus. If you would prefer to take action and start proactively engaging the neuroplasticity of your brain, then VIZSTIM is for you. VIZSTIM is an at-home visual and vestibular exercise kit to encourage and enhance recovery of visual, motion, sensitivity imbalance. The VIZSTIM Recovery Kit contains a collection of exercises to train your eyes and vestibular system to better work together, ultimately reducing the symptoms of dizziness, blurry vision, difficulty reading, and sensitivity to busy environments. What does recovery look like to you? Check out VIZSTIM.com today for more resources.